16 minus 6 gives us 10. And again, here we have 16 minus 6, which again gives us 10. And 10 times 10 is equal to 100. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, the first thing we need to solve is parentheses. And then after we solve all the parentheses, we have to solve exponent. And then after we solve exponent, we have to solve multiplication and division. And finally, we have to solve addition or subtraction. If we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong, because multiplication has a higher priority than addition or subtraction, right? Multiplication should be solved before addition or subtraction. So that is what we should do, and this is the correct order to solve mathematical equations. So let's go back into our problem. So here we have parentheses, subtraction, and a multiplication, right? If a number is next to parentheses, that means multiplication. So 16 minus 6 gives us 10, and the problem becomes 16 minus 6 times 10. So now we have one multiplication and one subtraction. Of course, we have to do the multiplication in order to arrive at the right, correct, consistent answer, right? So 6 times 10 is 16. And 16 minus 60 is equal to negative 44. So the final answer to this question is negative 44.